Hi friends, we just received our Amazon Basics dog and puppy pee pads. We have a small new pet, so we have a place where we put him to sleep. We're going to show you. These are 100 pads. As you can see, it has like some kind of instructions and directions here. And let's see the size of the pads. Okay, I'm going to take one out. Oh, they are really tightly packed. Okay, here it is. Look at this. It looks like a really large pad. Okay, it's large. Great. You see, the blue side goes down, and this is the actual pad. Let's try them out.